All right, we're gonna do this in one shot. Bada bing, bada bam. No, that was... Ah! I broke it. Script. All right, what's popping, you Cadillac cruisers? Ha, ha, ha. We changed things around. We changed things around this week. The build video is Wednesday instead of Friday, but don't fret. Our AMD naming video will be dropping Friday. So in case you missed any of our news on social media, it's holiday time. And what a perfect time to do a giveaway. That's my air horn. We teamed up with our friends and pals over at AMD and Gigabyte so we can give away a sweet Aorus system just in time for the holidays. What a better way to play the 4K holiday log from YouTube than a brand new PC. Am I right? Or am I right? The answer is yes. Along with rad games, you will play things like Fork Knife. With the crazy new update, they have some kind of Storm King now, which kind of resembles the Pokemon Thundurus. But we're not here for Pokemon lore, we're here for PC specs, and you want to know what this PC can do. So, we're going to show you some of the specs, some of the benches, it's PC, so if the words giveaway didn't already have you click off this video to enter, that's what I'm here to do. So this lean, mean, orange/blue gaming machine, let's see what's under the hood. First, we have the AMD Ryzen 1800X paired with the Aorus X470 Gaming 7 Wi-Fi. The system is featuring the all-new Aorus RGB memory, 16 gigs at 3200 megahertz. Of course, you want to know what you're gaming on. Well, to give some kick to your gaming needs, we have the Aorus Radeon RX 580. Now, coming down to storage, no problemo. Here we have the GIGABYTE UD Pro SSD, 512 GB. For all your gaming and meme needs, with wicked quick speeds, booting up and jumping into games will be crazy quick. These core components are gonna have you flying when it comes to games, watching online content, and wait till you see those benchmarks. WOWEEE! It's all tucked away inside the sleek brushed metal Aorus Tower, the AC300W, powered by the GIGABYTE G750H. Nice. It's the end of 2018. Everyone has switched to RGB by now, right? If you haven't, oh. So, now, the question, how does it perform? Let's take a look at those benches. We're able to attain 1080p gaming beautifully with this system on absolute max settings. It's the end of 2018, and we all know the game of the year. Well, according to Joystick. But, it was Fork Knife, and, well, we're able to attain 77 frames per second at 1080p. We followed this up with Overwatch. And hey guys, it's a Christmas event, as of yesterday, so time to get your coins ready. I'm loving this year's skins. I really love what they did with Junkrat with his fancy Krampus skin. Noelle's favorite is Widowmaker, the ski. She just loves it. Anyways guys, we hit 105 frames per second and just blew right through it. It was like a hot knife through room temperature butter. Omega yum! Don't eat butter. We of course were starved to death in PUBG again, thanks Russ, with no chicken dinners. But we did a cool 90 FPS, and we went to the ultimate speed in Forza, we hit 84 FPS. Now, if this doesn't have you all hyped and ready to enter, then here's some more RGB in slow-mo. Whoa. How do you enter? Well, we have a link below in the comments. Gigabyte is running the contest through Gleam. The contest ends this Sunday, December 15th, so make sure you enter. And keep your eye out for the winner. You'll be emailed and contacted by us. Don't forget guys, MEXP is going on this month. You guys all know the drill. Make sure you guys are commenting all the videos for the sweet, sweet swagoo and prizes. So guys, I'm Steve from Memory Express. You guys know where to find us online. Facebook and Twitter are the same at Memory Express. Official Memory Express for Instagram. Peace out, Epic Gamers. I'll see you guys on Friday when we talk about processors. See ya! Steve, see, neat, take 92, hit it. Okay, see ya! Oh.